Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use a Mac for beginners, the very basics. You may be switching from a Windows to a Mac, or this could be the first time, a new experience, a new machine for you to use. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac, could be MacBook Air, Pro, iMac, and then once you turn on the Mac computer, load into the OS, get into your account. This is what you see. And now, how do we use a Mac? Well, this is what you see on screen. Go all the way to the bottom of the screen. Use the mouse cursor. We have the dock. If we click on Launchpad, this is where all the applications sit in. Swipe left, right to see all your applications. If we click on an application, we can make a search. Go to the search box, type in Safari, enter, return. And now that opens up the web browser on screen. This is an application. Quit Safari. Let's go to the dock again. Open up Finder. Now within Finder, we will have all the information, the folders, photos, videos, music, utilities, home directories, locations, tags, just to make the navigation smarter. A whole new user experience. If we go to the top navigation menu after we minimize Finder, we have Apple, About This Mac, System Preferences, App Store, Recent Items, Force Quit, Sleep, Restart, Shutdown, Lock Screen, Log Out. And this gives us all the other information in regards to the application we open. If we open up, let's say, another application, go to Launchpad. Let's open up System Preferences, and now on screen we have System Preferences, Edit, View. This will change for every application we have. If we require to make changes for our MacBook Pro, we would always enter System Preferences. Here we have better control with General, Desktop, Dock, Mission Control. You get the picture, and we can add new preferences. If we see on the bottom, we have HyperDock, Java, NTFS for Mac, Seagate dashboard, Xbox 360 controllers. We can continue to install new drivers to change the way we use our Mac. If we remove out of System Preferences, if we now go all the way down to the dock again, we can either change, bring in new applications. If I hold on Safari, take away from the dock, remove. Do not worry, this does not delete the application from your Mac. Go all the way to Launchpad again, click on Safari, bring this to the dock. So that's the way we add and remove applications from Launchpad to the dock. Swipe 3 fingers up, Mission Control, go all the way to Launchpad again. Where is Mission Control? Search. If we do not see that, Mission Control, yes. On the top, we also see desktops. We can add more desktops in if we require. For the moment, we already have 7 desktops, so we are not looking to add more desktops in. Two-finger swipe to the left on the trackpad brings up the notifications and what's happening today. So that's notifications done. Open up Finder again. We can increase the size of a window, minimize, or we can click on red to X out of an application. This applies to every application ever created on Mac OS. We used to call it Mac OS 10. There was a time where we would click on the right top corner of the application and that would increase the size of the window into full screen mode. If we go all the way down to the dock, go to Applications or App Store. And this is where we will now purchase all the applications that we use for the MacBook Pro, Air, iMac, or any other device that you are currently using. I have no idea why it's taking so long to load. Go to a new desktop. Let's just force quit for the moment as the App Store is not responding. Force quit. Go all the way down to the dock again, go to App Store. Let's hope we do not see the same issue which we are having again. Force quit again. Go to the dock again, could be third time. Lucky, unlucky, we are unlucky. We will just have to wait to see whether it's great or not. Once we let that load, we can have a discussion as to what the App Store really is. As a developer, you are able to create your own applications, add them to the App Store, and then clients, customers can then choose to purchase, have a demo, buy the full application for you to use on your system. I have no idea why it's taking so long for the App Store to load. If we just go all the way down to the dock, force quit after we double tap or double click on the trackpad. If it still takes too long to load, we'll just Google the App Store. That'll be the best way to explain what's really happening. Go to Safari, make a search for the App Store. Go to images, and yes, App Store Mac OS. We are able to purchase any application for the Mac interface. If we quit Safari, we have the navigation bar on top, which is something we should have mentioned at the start of the video. We can add different applications as a way to access them through a shortcut. Go all the way down to the dock again. If we wish to delete an application, we would go into applications, highlight the application, right click, and then we would move to bin. But for this tutorial and video, we are not doing that as we need all the applications we have on screen. However, that is the way we would delete an application we no longer require or requires an update, upgrade. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.